Hey guys, welcome to Govic's channel. Today I'll show you how to fix high ping in League of Legends. First, open your internet settings and change the adapter settings. Select Internet, click Settings, then IP version 4 settings. Click Use Custom DNS Server and enter the following. As you see on my screen, type 88.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Click OK and close. Try playing. If it doesn't work, go back to settings, right click to open, then change adapter settings again. As you can see, this adapter is working, but this one's disabled. Right click, disable it, wait a few seconds, then enable it again. Hope that solves it. Like and subscribe. This was Weiler. Catch you later.